Namaste and welcome everyone to Ronak Yoga YouTube channel, and today's class is going to be about face yoga. You must have seen many videos and many benefits on facial yoga, but today I'll be teaching you some different techniques on working on your facial muscles to activate and increase the blood flow. And when you increase the blood flow with proper pranayama and meditation, you will see an immense glow on your face. So let's start. So first, starting with squinting. Imagine your nose is the center of your entire face, and squint your face and everything is getting cramped up to your nose. So while doing that, you have to inhale. So like this, inhale and exhale from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose, exhale from the mouth, and relax. So when you inhale, you squint your face thinking nose is the center. When you exhale, you spread and make your mouth big open, wide open, and your eyes popping out. Okay. Going to the step number 2. The exercise number 2 is using this portion of your palms, that is just below the thumbs. Inhale and exhale. Press it above your eyebrows. Breathe in, exhale. On exactly on your eyebrows, breathe in, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in and relax there. At least 10 to 20 reps of this will help you release a lot of tension above your eyebrows, around your forehead. Also, you can move to the step number 3, which is also working on the eyebrow points. That's press, use the first 3 fingers, press, breathe, exhale from the mouth, breathe in, exhale slowly from the mouth, inhale and relax there. I'm sure you must be feeling good by now. So when you do this, you have to do this at least 10 to 20 reps again, or at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, moving to step number 4. Using the first 2 fingers and exhale, breathe in, exhale around your eyes and on your nose. So sharpening your nose, your nasal passage, and moving. Breathe in at least 10 to 20 rounds, and make sure you're inhaling from the nose and exhaling from the mouth. Now there are 43 muscles which are on the face, and there are minor muscles, more than 100 minor muscles on your face, and you already know there are a lot of muscles which are taken into consideration when you smile. So these are 4 exercises, and now we move to working on your jaw for making your jawline appear faster. Okay, so taking the first 2 fingers like this and squeeze up. Breathe in, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe in, exhale. Again 10 to 20 reps. Now exercise number 6, which is working on your upper lip and the lower lip. First 2 fingers, breathe, inhale and relax. These are smooth muscles on your upper lips and lower lips. When you move it in this way, it works on the exercising those smooth muscles which we usually do not do. So that's one of the best ones to relax those muscles. As we are constantly talking on the phone or we are interacting with people, it is best for people who are into acting or media profession, or also people who are into fitness profession, also those who want to not go into any kind of surgery to uplift their skin and keep a healthy glow. Last but not the least is one of the easiest technique, can be done any time of the day, is simply tapping. Breathe, tap and relax that. At least 10 to 20 seconds of tapping will surely help you bring the glow on your face. Alright, so apart from all these exercises, you should also look into diet. Eating healthy antioxidants, berries, any kind of berries, nuts definitely helps. Unless you only want to work on lifting up your skin and skin tightening, use ice cold water in the morning to splash on your face, or use a towel to wet it from the cold water and apply it on your face, or ice cubes if you're okay to bear that cold. Now this way you will tighten up your pores on your facial muscles, and the elastin and the collagen which is required, the chemical which is required, which is a natural chemical produced by the body to tighten your skin, will be activated faster. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, give thumbs up and comment if you want to learn anything into yoga. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for your beautiful time and being such a patient audience. Thank you. Bye-bye.